Veteran media personality Barbara Gloudon laid to rest. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It was an emotional time for the friends, family and former co-workers of the late talk show host and journalist who was a columnist for the Jamaica Observer from March 21, 1993 until April 10, 2020 when ill health forced her to stop. Died on May 11th at the University Hospital of the West Indies, 11 days after the passing of her Trinidadian-born husband, Gloudon. They had been married for 62 years. The funeral service was held at the St. Margaret's Anglican Church in St. Andrew on Thursday. Amidst her accolades behind her name for the playwright and radio talk show host Barbara Gloudon, her love for the Jamaican people was what stands out the most. A number of government officials were in attendance, including the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Miss Olivia Babsy Grange. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity once more just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the family and friends. Thanks for watching.